Hi everyone, this is Gurming and Yija Groups. Habitual Heart is our applications which aims to track users' mood and habits. The color theme of the application is in green color, so that can help the users to release their stress and tensions, enhance the overall well-being of mental, bodies and others way. First, the screens will display the sign-in page. Before we go to the sign-in page, we need to register the account first. So we click on the sign up button, and this is the sign up page. If we have account, then we click on this link, then we go back to the sign-in page. Then we continue for the sign up page first. If the sign up page need to fill in all of these informations, if not, it will show registration field and ask the user to fill in all details. The username has no validation, so we can just put any username. The email must be correct email. If not, it will show that the email is not available. And yeah, please use a valid email. So we need to use my own email. Then if the password is not same, it will ask to user to make sure the password and confirm password is the same. So we can hit. Then it will ask the user to verify the email. So we need to verify the email. If we didn't verify the email, it will show fail. So we need to verify our emails first. So yeah, then we go to link. Then the email is verified, then we only can sign in. Then this is the home page, and this is the profile. Then we sign out to an email that have existing data for testing. If I forgot password, I will need to fill in the email over here and click on the forgot password. If the email is not valid, it will show fail to send, so we need to enter the correct one. Then it will send, and please check the email I will show. Then we go to our email to check. Okay, visit link. Then we can reset the password over here. Okay, you can now sign in with the new email, the new password. And this is the home page. The home page will display the date of today and ask the user to input the mood today. We can click on this, then we can change the date and time also. Then we can write the description. After we create, it will show update to over here. Then I can also edit, update, then we'll change over here, and also delete. Delete will display back, ask the user to enter the mode. Then we can just create and it's good. Then the habits part will pass to Gurming, and later I will continue over the discovery page and profile page.
Hi, I'm Gurmin. So now let me proceed to the home page, habit page, and the calendar page. So under this section, show the list of habits that the user had created before. Each habit cards are displaying the habit name, the habit category, habit icon, and the status of the habit represented by the fire here. So if the user complete the habit, the fire icon will light up. And this is the streak number of the habit. So this streak number is represent the continuous day by day completed, the habit completed for the particular habits. So for example, 1 here means the user had already complete this habit yesterday, while 0 means the user didn't complete this habit yesterday, and 2 means the user had already completed this habit in the previous 2 days. So if the user didn't check in the, let's say didn't check in this habit today, so after the 12 midnight o'clock, it will reset the streak number to 0, which means they didn't continuous to check in this habit, so the streak number will reset lah. So then the user can swipe the habit card from right to left to edit or delete the particular habits. So now let me to demonstrate edit modify part. User can modify the habit name, description, category, or the daily check-in count. When the user change the category icon on the top here will switch accordingly. Let's say we switch to finance, it will change to the coin icon. We switch to grow, switch to health. Okay, so let's say like that. So then click on this save to change to save the changes to the database. So we can see here the habit we modified just now had already updated. So let me demonstrate the delete function. So we can click this delete button. After we click on the delete button, it will ask a confirmation from the user. So are you sure you want to delete this habit? And this will also delete all the associated habit records. So then delete. So the particular habit is removed from the database. And not only that, user can click on the habit card to check in their habit. Let's say we check in this habit. Here shown the habit icon, which is the financial habit, the habit names, habit description, but for this habit the description is empty, and then the number count needed to complete in a day. So we click on this submit button to check in. When the habit is completed, just now the name is new, but here we can't find it. When the habit is completed, the specific habit will disappear from the home page because only the habit haven't complete will shown in this home page. So user can view all their habits in the habits page. So let's proceed to the habits page. So from this habit page, there are 5 buttons for filters purpose and the list of the habits and the button to create a new habits. So user can filter their habit list by these 5 buttons in category like all, or in finance, in grow, in health, in productivity. Okay. Then the habit cards are here. The list of the habits are having the same function that I showed on the habit page, like we can swipe from left to right, we can check in. Then I had disabled the function of the habit cards if the habits have already completed. Like let's say this one, we cannot swipe it, we also cannot click it. But for another, we can swipe, we can click, whatever. So now let's add a new habit by click on this button. So the icon showing here is default icon. If the user haven't yet select a category for this new habit, Then if the user didn't fill in the names and the category for this new habit, it will show a toast message. Let's say like that. Please fill all fields. Then also the description is optional. So doesn't matter if we leave it empty for the description. So let's to write something. So let's add the new habit. So you can see the new habit added. So now let's proceed to the calendar page. From this calendar page, user can have a quick view of their mood of the whole month. Then user can switch the calendar by month and also to select a day to view the a date to view the habit history. So for now, today we didn't fill in our mood yet, and then we got two history check-in history, two habit check-in history. So like this one is completed and we just check in just now, we having the last record. And then this one is a study just now we created, and then I put it 2 times to check in a day, but I just check in for 1 time. So here we got the last record here, and then showing that we got check in but we haven't complete, we incomplete this habit yet. So so we can see here if the mode icon is in green, which means in dark green, which means our mood are excellent for that day. So if in light green is in good, if in yellow is neutral, if in orange, which means we are bad mood that day. So if red, we are having a terrible mood for that day. Yeah. So we can see whatever record for the day, for the selected day. Yeah. So thank you. I will pass this for Yijia to continue the discover page and the profile page. Thank you.
I'm Mija again. Now let us continue to the discover page. Firstly, the discover page will display the daily codes. The daily codes is fetched using the API that I found in the GitHub, Quotable API. This is the API I use. Then it will randomly display the codes for every day and even when we log in. Then this is the author following by the codes. Next, it will display the meditations guides. Firstly is the mindfulness. It will show what is the mindfulness meditations, then show the guided mindfulness meditation over here with the mp3 that I hard coded in the code, and we can play it.
The following meditation is led by Tara Brock. To access more of my meditations
is others mindfulness. This is the sound. Okay, then we proceed to the breathing exercise. Then this is the breathing exercise guides. It will display the guides of the breathing over here, and we can use the text to speech functions to play
3 steps to deep breathing. In order to experience deep breathing, first, you will have to identify.
Proceed to the sleeping guides. The sleeping guides will show the guides over here. Then I will provide the user with the 90 minutes music for the meditation sleep. Then we can find it. This is the music for sleep meditations. Okay, then that's all it for the meditation guides. Then we proceed to the meditation videos. The meditation videos is using the YouTube API to fetch the video. Then this is the title of the video. When click on it, it will proceed to the
What if
YouTube.
I could make $100 per basket shooting from here? Or you could make $20 per basket.
Video over here.
Begin by getting as cozy as you possibly can. Hit pause if you need to and come back once you're ready.
The app. This is all the
Allow
videos
your body to get as cozy
for
as
the
it can right now.
meditations. Okay, that's all for the discover page. Next, we continue with the profile page. The profile page will display the username over here. Then we can set the reminder that asking the user to input their mood or check in their habits. Then we can enter the time. Then we can change that. We can also edit the profile. We can change the username, but the email cannot change because the email is first used to register. Then we change the gender and also the date of birthday. When we update, we will update of the username over here, and also here will update. Next, we have the mood history. The mood history will show all the moods that have been checking. This is a to date. It's just now I check in. Then we have last few days. The last few days mood, and we cannot edit it because over the times the actual feelings we have changed, so I not allow the user to edit, but only can delete the modes. Okay, I delete the modes. Then it's over here. That's all for the mood history page. Then we have the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. Then the lastly is the sign out. Then we go back to the sign. That's all for our app. Thank you for watching our demo video. Thanks. Bye.